Question number 1. If the price of 5 exercise books of 40 pages is 225 rupees, then find the price of one such book. Price of 5 books are given as 225 rupees. So to find the price of one book, we have to divide 225 from 5. 5 times 4 is 20. Then the remaining is 2. For 25, 5 times 5. Price of one book is 45 rupees. Question number 2. Represent 19 using tally marks. To represent 5, we can use this sign. A bundle of 5. Then we have to draw 3 such bundles to represent 15. Then another remaining 4. This is the way we are representing 90 by using tally marks. Question number 3. If the number, we are given this number with a blank, a number with 4 digits is a multiple of 5, then what are the possible numbers that can be written in the blank box? If this is a multiple of 5, the last digit can be 0 or 5. These are the 2 digits that we can use for this blank. Question number 4. Write down the following date and the time in International Standard Form. First one, 4th February 2024. We have to write the year first, 2024, with 4 digits. Then a small dash. Then month with 2 digits, 0, 2. Then date with 2 digits. Then part 2, second part, 8 minutes 5 seconds past 2 in the afternoon. As it is given in afternoon time, when writing in standard form, we have to write it as 14 hours. Then 2 dots. Then 8 minutes, 0, 8. Then again 2 dots, 5 seconds, 0, 5. Question number 5. Find the values of the two expressions given below if x equals 8. First one, x plus 2. We have to substitute the value of x given for us. X is 8. 8 plus 2. The value is 10. Then second one, 15 minus x. 15 minus 8. The answer is 7. Question number 6. Find the mass of the pumpkin in the following balance scale. The indicator in the balance keeps straight. So we can equal the weights in both sides. In one side, a pumpkin with 200 gram weight. In the other side, 1 kilogram weight and 500 gram weight. The addition here is 1500 grams. So to find the weight of the pumpkin, mass of the pumpkin, we have to subtract 200 from that amount. 1700 minus 1500, that is 1500. 1500 minus 200. The mass of pumpkin is 1300 grams. Question number 7. Write down first one all the composite numbers. Second one all the triangular numbers from 10 to 20. Composite numbers means the numbers that have more than two factors. So the first one is 10. Then the second one 12, 14, then 15, 16, then 18. We can't take 20 as they have given 220. Then part 2, all the triangular numbers. What are the triangular numbers from 10 to 20? First one is 10. Next one 15. Question number 8. Question number 8 we are given this. Fill in the blanks. 64 equal to 2 to the power with a blank equal to 4 to the power. We have to fill this. If we multiply 5 times, we get 32. Then 32 multiplied by 2 is 64. So for the blank, we have to write 2 to the power 6. Then when we multiply 4 3 times, we get 64. 4 times 4 times 3. Then for this blank, we have to put 3. 4 to the power 3. The value is 64. Then question number 9. We are given this diagram. First one, name the solid that can be made using the given net in the figure. With 4 equal size triangles, we can make the solid regular tetrahedron. The solid is regular tetrahedron. Then part 2, find the length of an edge of this model. We can find the length of one triangle by dividing 12 centimeters by 2. 6 centimeters. That is the length of the edge of this model. Question number 10. There is 4 liter 625 milliliter of water in a container. After removing an amount of 1 liter 775 milliliters from that, what will be the remaining quantity? We have to subtract that value. Liters, milliliters. The early amount is 4 liter 625 milliliters. Then we have to subtract 1 liter 775 milliliters from that. A subtraction. As we can't subtract 775 from 625, we have to take 1 liter from this side. Then it becomes 1000 milliliters. Then here the addition is 1625. Now the remaining is 3 here. Now we can do the subtraction. 5 minus 5 is 0. 12 minus 7, 5. Then here the remaining is 15. 15 minus 7 is 8. 3 minus 1, 2. So the answer is 2 liter 850 milliliters. Question number 11. Fill in the blanks. 78 multiplied by 1000. 78 multiplied by 1000. Then we have a blank here. Then again dividing by 10. Then equal to another blank. 78 multiplied by 1000. We can put 3 zeros here. 78,000. Then if it is divided by 10, we can remove 1 zero. Then the answer is 7,800. Then question number 12. Write down the number and the name of the number that has been represented on the abacus. In the abacus, 100,000 rod, we have 4 counters. So 4. Then the next counter 2. Next one 1. Then we have to keep a small gap here. Then hundreds rod, we have 0 counters. Tens rod, we have 1 counter. Ones rod, we have 5 counters. So this is the number in standard form. Then how to read this one? 421,000. 421,050. This is the unit zone. This is the thousand zone. Question number 13. We are given to simplify. 3,198 divided by 30. 13 times 2 is 26. Then what is the remaining now? 5. Then take this 9 here. 13 times 4. 13 times 4 is 52. Then the remaining is 7. Take this 8 here. 13 times 6 is 78. Remaining is 0. So the answer is 246. Question number 14. Write down 2 ratios which are equivalent to the ratio 2 to 3. The ratio is given as 2 to 3. How to get equivalent ratios? We can use the multiplication or the division method. But here, as this ratio is in its simplest form, only we can use the multiplication method. If I multiply both the terms by 2, 2 times 2 is 4, then 3 times 2 is 6. Then I will multiply this by 5. 5 times 2, 10. 5 times 3, 15. Or you can multiply by any number. Question number 15. In the following figure, first one, first one, what is the type of angle denoted by the letter B? The letter B is the right angle. Letter B is a type of the angle is right angle. Then second part, mark a reflex angle in the figure. If I draw the figure like this is the figure we are given. This is A and B. Then I can mark a reflex angle like this. This is a reflex angle. Then question number 16. Write down the greatest odd number which is less than 1000. 1000 is an even number. So, 1 less than 1000 is an odd number. So 999 is the greatest odd number less than 1000. Question number 17. We are given to simplify this. 12.4 minus 4.57. I'll put a 0 here. When subtracting or adding decimal numbers, we have to write the decimal places one below the other, like this. 10 minus 7 is 3. Then here 3 is remaining. Then let's take 1 from that side. 13 minus 5 is 8. Now we have to keep the decimal point. Now the remaining is 11. 11 minus 4, 7. The answer is 7.83. Then question number 18. Write down the greatest number. Second part, the least number that can be written using all 4 digits 5, 7, 8, 6 at once, having 8 in the hundreds place and 5 in the ones place. These two are with 4 digits. 4 digits. The hundreds place should be in 8 and ones place should be with 5. Now we have to fill the other 2 digits. How to fill them? The greatest number. If we want to take the greatest number, we have to select the greatest digits for this blank. If we remove 8 and 5, the greatest digits is 7. Then 7,865 is the greatest number that we can write according to these conditions. Then the least number. To take the least number, we have to select the least digits for this blank. So out of 7 and 6, the least one is 6. So 6,875. Question number 19. Write down the integers that have been marked on the following number line. The integers marked here is the first one is minus 5. Then minus 1 is the next one. Then 0 is marked here. Then 3. These are the only integers marked here. The other ones are decimal numbers. Question number 20. There are 20 coconut trees in an estate. The following table shows the number of coconuts plucked from each tree. Table. The number of coconuts plucked from a tree is 10. Number of trees is 4. 10 coconuts with 4 trees. So 10 multiplied by 4 plus then 12 coconuts. 9 trees from 9 trees with 12 coconuts. 12 multiplied by 9. Then 13 multiplied by 7. Here 40 plus, here the multiplication is 108 plus 91. We have to add these 3 numbers. The addition is 239.